Frequent flyers, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I like to extend a warm welcome as always. Back out here at Squirrel Park, y'all. Got a few squirrels running around. Not too cold out here. Throwback Thursday, y'all. So I came out here with one of my quads. The Dromida Ominus. I'm gonna get this guy in the air for a quick flight. Have some fun real quick. One of my throwbacks. Let's get it. It is deviated. I did a number of mods to this thing. For one, I got this pH 2.0 connector on it and some different props. Haven't flown it in a little while. So I gotta figure out where did I have. That's the flips right there. I gotta find my switch I had for sporty flying, and there it is. Still haven't figured out how to put this thing in acro mode. Check it out. A lot better than it was though. Don't have to worry about the range or anything, because we're flying deviated. Gotta worry about these trees though. Depth perception gotta be good flying around these trees. You guys know I love doing proximity flying. Meow. Ooh, nipped a branch. One of those branches over there. Oh, the sky's flashing on me. Since we can't do acro, let's try manual flip, y'all. Since we're at LVC, we can't do any button flips, so we gotta improvise manual flips. Oh, can't do it right there. The yaw on this thing is pretty good. Ah, it went down on me. That was it. Quick little flight of the Dromida Ominus. Not sure if you still can get this, but I was very fortunate to be able to find this thing on Amazon. If it's still available, I'll have the link in the description for you guys to check it out if you want to grab it real quick. But I got to get my butt to work, y'all. Thanks for watching. Dromida Ominus. Looks like a flying frog.